Hello everybody and welcome back. We are here live in Odessa, Texas, home of one of our dealerships. I am Xander behind the camera. We have Faith inside this home, which today we want to show you the Oak Creek Dorado. Now, this is a new home that we've never shown on one of our lives before, so stay tuned to see all the features inside as Faith will give us the rundown in just a moment. And in case you're wondering what lot size you'll need, this double wide home is 3 to 4 beds, 2 baths at 1530 square feet, 28 feet wide, and 56 feet in length.
Hey, Xander.
Hey Faith, how's it going?
Good. Come on in. So I'm really excited to show you this home because it is one of our in-stock models. And if you don't like the way it is now, we can also order it for you because there's so many customizable features in here. But before we get started, I want to go ahead and wish our goat, Cody, a happy 3-year work anniversary. So.
Oh, happy 3-year work anniversary, Cody.
I know. I've been here for such a short time, but I can truly say he is the goat.
Oh, yeah, he is. He's a great guy. I love Cody.
Yeah, so let's go ahead and get this tour started. So over here, we have the living space. It's huge. I love it. You could have a entertainment center over here, plenty of space to put a sectional, 2 couches, an entryway table, plenty of space in here for sure. So here's one of our customizable items. So this is currently set up as a den. You're gonna have these awesome, I'll go ahead and show you, double doors right here. And it comes into your den. It's a really great size. So if you don't like this as a den, you can actually have it as a 4th bedroom where the door will actually be relocated to right here. So whatever you want to do with this space, if you don't want it as an in-stock model, this can be changed. But I think this is a really awesome den. It can be made into a really nice office. The double doors just really add a nice touch. And then you have this closet as storage space. You can put your office supplies, or if it's a bedroom, your clothes, whatever you'd like it to be. So let's go ahead and head over to the dining and kitchen area. So here is your dining space. You can have your table turned this way, or if you want a longer setup, you can turn it this way. Really plenty of space to entertain in here. But this kitchen is just wild to me. There is so much storage space, so much counter space. I mean, you have all this right here, storage, got storage underneath as well. Like, it is just endless in here. So if you come over here, you have more space. You have the double sink, double compartment sink, and you have your pantry to the right over here as well. So much cabinet space. It is just amazing. And if you want, you can decorate up in those little, I guess, alcoves, shelves. I don't know what you should call them. But what is really cool in here that I like is, yes, you have your dining space over there, but you have this little kitchen, or they call it a breakfast nook right here. So you can have an extra little seating space for those informal meals, or if you just have kids getting ready in the morning, they can sit here and have their breakfast before school. And then over here, we have our utility room. It is huge. You could even make more shelves and add more pantry space, but this is our utility room right here. Very large storage space for sure.
Sheesh. Yeah, this is a lot of space. Man, I could for sure see myself doing laundry here.
Now, out these doors, I think, is the showstopper add-on that you can add on if you want to customize, or it's in stock and ready for you, and you can have this right here. So this is our porch. So right here, we have this massive porch. I mean, it's huge. Imagine having, I would love to sit out here with a rocker and a coffee and drink my book every morning, but it's so nice, has the wood paneling on the floor. It is just so beautiful. Yes, I love this feature. If you want to customize it, you should definitely just add this, but if you want to install, you have it already, and you can have great mornings out here like I would. So let's go check out this primary bedroom. Shut the door. Okay. So here is the primary bedroom. Plenty of space in here to fit a king. You could have your dresser, chest of drawers. I mean, there's so much space in here for furniture. Whatever furniture you need to add storage, you can fit it in this room. And it's so light and airy in here with these 2 windows. You have this walk-in closet right off of your primary bedroom. Lots of space in there, and you can add shelves on the bottom, maybe a shoe rack, really optimize that space in there. And then this is the primary bathroom. I love this bathroom. You have your double vanity, a huge mirror. It's just wild. And you have drawers and cabinets as well. But what's really cool, let's go in here. You have extra storage space right here. So you can put your towels, your linens, so much in here. That really is just something that I feel like you should always have in a home. And you have your walk-in shower. Plenty of space, little benches, and if you like this, all this storage and all this, it's in stock ready for you. So let's go ahead and go across the home and check out the 2 secondary bedrooms.
And for those who are just joining our live, we are in Odessa, Texas, inside of the Oak Creek Dorado. The specs on this home are 3 to 4 beds, 2 baths at 1,530 square feet, 28 feet wide, and 56 feet in length.
So this is your secondary bathroom. You have the tub shower combo, the wood floors, and then you have your sink with a little bit of extra counter space, and you have your cabinet underneath. And if you want, maybe you could add some like baskets here or some shelving. I mean, there's just lots of spaces in here that you can add more for whatever you want in your home. So let's head to the first secondary bedroom. Here it is. Super cute twin double-sized bed in here. And you also have your closet right here as well. Now, if you don't want this to be a bedroom, you can make this a playroom, whatever you want to do, depending on how many kids, whatever you need for your home. And here is the second secondary bedroom. You could definitely fit a double queen in here. It's a really nice size. I like this. I mean, look how big it is. I love it. And then you also have a closet here to your right as well. Yes. So that was the Oak Creek Dorado. I love this home. I think it's just so cute and so quaint, and I love all the little touches it has. And if you like this one, it's in stock here. You get $3,000 off. So I don't know. I think it's a great deal. But thank y'all for joining, and I'll see y'all next time.